Welcome students. Today we are going to perform field control method for speed control of DC shunt motor in this virtual platform. Here on the screen we can see a DC shunt motor and its front view. Also we can see two rheostats. One will be connected in series with field winding and the other will be connected in series with armature winding. And also we can see voltmeter and an ammeter. So first we connect the connections. So here we can see three terminal of a starter, and first we connect DC supply to the line terminal of the starter. So I connected. Now I connect field winding connection. So this field winding terminal and to the ammeter, and ammeter to the rheostat, and the other terminal of rheostat to the field winding of DC shunt motor. So in this way we can connect a rheostat in series with field winding. Now armature winding connection. So one rheostat is also connected in series with the armature winding. In this way we connect a voltmeter across the armature winding, in this way. So yes, now I have to check the connections, whether connections are correct or not. So I click here. Yes, connections are correct. Now I vary the field winding. Yes, first switch on the supply, and now I vary. First I fix the armature resistance at a particular value. Now I am going to vary the field resistance, so that field current is going to vary, and we note down the readings in observation table. Okay, here we can observe reading of voltmeter and ammeter, and by varying the field resistance we can take different readings, and for each reading we have to make note in observation table. So there are different readings that we have taken, and each reading is noted in the observation table. So at last the current and voltage readings are taken. So now we plot the graph. Here we can see the graph between speed and field current. Thank you.